All right, we just got the mirror in. We're gonna set it up in the bathroom. But look how beautiful the mirror looks right now. It comes with drywall anchors, but I recommend you guys getting a harder, stronger anchors, maybe a couple pounders. It came with regular anchors, but I recommended like a 20-pound anchors just to be safe because it has a little weight. It does have, remember, it does have actually LED light, so we're gonna turn it on a bit. This is our old mirror. All right, so we did a balance with it, and we were lucky. We actually found the actual studs exactly where they're gonna be at. So they're gonna go on the stud. They don't need to go on anchor. And this is from my old mirror that I used to have in this bathroom here. So we're gonna set it up and see how beautiful it looks here. All right, let's go ahead. All right, check out the mirror. If you guys can see it, it's beautiful, elegant mirror. Goes all the way to the top. Now I am gonna hide the cable. For right now, we're just gonna replace the old one. We set up the new one. And let me show you something here. So one is if it's for fog proof, right? So if it steams up in your bathroom, you hit the actual lighting here on this side, so it could prevent it from steaming. This one's actually for the light. Look how beautiful, elegant. Look at that guy too. Look at that. Beautiful, elegant light. I like it. And not only that, you can hold it down. It does different functions. If you hit it again, it changes, so you know. So right now it's trying to defog, so we're gonna go ahead and turn it off. We're gonna change that. So you guys can see different modes. I'm gonna click again and it turns off. All right, so you got three modes. One mode, two, but it's trying to defog with this one, and then three. I like the first one. So the first one would be this one right here. And you could dim it down by holding it down. You could hit dim it down if you guys can see it. Dim it down. That's the lowest it goes. It's actually going lower. And we're gonna come back at night and try at night. If you click the opposite way, it goes brighter. Really bright. Beautiful. So let's come back at night and see how it looks in the dark. So, all right, we completely are in dark right now. And we're gonna just go ahead and turn on the light from it. If you guys can see that, this is me. It's a complete dark room. This is our bathroom here that we have, that we're setting it up. I'm gonna hide that cable later, run a cable through the wall. But I want to let you guys know a couple things. This is for the steamer. So if you have steam fogged up, you could turn this on. This one changes the modes, and it's also the power. So we're gonna click on it again. There's another mode. One more time. And that's the last mode, and then we go turn it off, all right? So we're gonna go turn it on. But if you want to dim it down, you just hold down the button, and it dims down, all right? Yeah, see that? If you hold it down again, you hit it on again, and it goes super high again. So like I said, you got a couple modes. I like this mirror, beautiful mirror, long mirror. So if you're gonna have a bathroom, set it up, it's perfect. Just make sure you're gonna require power, all right? And if you have if steam's up in here, easy to get rid of it by hitting that button. So if you're in your bathroom, showering, the mirror's not gonna fog up. So love the mirror. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.